I'm back. In the last video, I talked about anode, ANSI, and a coil. This anode is normally open contact, and the ANSI is normally close contact, and this poor person coil has no other name. These anode and ANSI are similar to electrical switches, and the coil is similar to output or an electrical lamp. We know switch can be used to turn on an output. Let's see. We have an open switch and a lamp. We press this switch and the lamp turns on. Simple electrical circuit. This electrical circuit having an open switch and a lamp is similar to anode contact and a coil in the ladder diagram. So we can say this open switch in electrical is similar to anode contact or a normally open contact in ladder diagram. When this anode contact turns on, circuit gets complete and the coil turns on. Simple. This single line in ladder diagram is known as rung. There may be number of rungs in a ladder diagram. Let's learn about ANSI now. Let's say we have a closed switch. It initially turns on a lamp. Now when we press this switch, it gets open, hence opening the circuit, and lamp turns off. This electrical diagram having a closed switch is similar to ANSI contact in ladder program. When this ANSI gets on, circuit gets open and the output gets off.